All right, this is Steve at 1,000 Year Home. I'm still out with Alex today. And so my Lowe's shipment finally showed up. Oh, he's gotten shut in my gate. Look, the country boy. He's not a city boy. Okay, this is incredible. So Lowe's has brought their delivery, and the gentleman is actually closing my cattle gate for me. So now I told him I think that this is a little risky to take that big truck out there, but he is convinced. He is convinced. Anyway, I'm pleased this Punchy closed my cattle gate because I do have cattle out here now. So, all right, man. The Lowe's, you went way up in my list. Your delivery guy is badass. I've enjoyed that. He did, man. He needs a raise. I like that. All right, so I'm gonna hit pause here for a little bit and make sure my fella gets all the way through. Awesome. All right, Lowe's delivered the second day they promised they'd deliver, and on top of it, their delivery guy is really skilled. This is not easy to get this down that drive, and I'll tell you, I am impressed. So how much fun is this?
Out of the truck, a goddamn scuff mark.
Aw, you know, somewhere in here I have my boot patch thing, but it's buried in all of my stuff, and I can't fix these right now.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway,
these were expensive for me. You know.
Alex came just in time to watch us unload a Lowe's truck, which I'm really grateful of. I think the Lowe's.
Yeah.
No, I'm good with that.
Sure?
Yeah.
Weird bug that got on me.
So it's so bad, the heat out here is so bad that I'm thinking of buying a third camera so that I can rotate them to keep them going.
Did you tell him you're recording him?
Oh, I did. No, I'll have to let them know that I do that. Because it's weird on camera, like, hello.
Yeah.
But look, it's behind you on that thermostat, 98.
Oh,
and
man.
You got a knife?
Oh, just set them down just like that. I'll cut them later.
We get them?
Yeah, I'll put them up in there. See how I have my... Yeah, no, I said you were my heavy. You're my arms. And so he offered to stick it up in there. I said, no, Alex will get all that. You don't seem too enthused about that idea. No, I'll cut the strap and I'll take them out one at a time. The Lowe's guy offered to cut this and help me stack it up in there, but I've got a wood rack that I want to rack it on, so I'm going to do it myself. And how crooked that one is. Come on now. I'll use that on a roof, maybe. Bow it the other way. Man, I have tried to cut deals on these Western cedar. When I do, this is why I'm cutting my own. I can't cut them any worse. Shit, my stuff's as crooked as that. And when I complain, they tell me they sell them anyway. I don't even get a discount. That's how bowed the lumber is. This is an equal number of boards. that's a full, right, inch and a half bow. So. And what you're looking at here is $3,600. A little bit more than that. I think I'm missing the conduit bender, and I have yet to go all the way through every one of those bags and validate that it is what I ordered. So, well, if heat goes down a little bit today, I'll go ahead and get out my sawmill and saw a little bit myself. I got a couple of big logs I brought in this week. I could make, I think, 6x6 out of it. I'll get as close as we can. We'll take a look at the heat here. Y'all seeing this? Flip over 110 heat index. So I am like sopping wet, and look at her. Neri, she claims there's a girl sweat in there.
I'm sweating. I am.
I doubt it.
I'm wearing all black.
All black.
With long hair.
Long hair.
Yeah. So.
Look at me. I got a long beard. Here, I brought you a wipe rag. That one I just washed. Hey, do you want anything out of my cooler?
You got a Coors Light?
Yeah, I do.
No, man. No, I can't do that.
Well, but I'm ready. I'm here to listen. I got Pepsi and Dr. Pepper and.
I'll take a Pepsi.
All right. Yeah, it's up. Oh, hey, Jerome, I'm videoing this and I put it up on YouTube. Is that all right?
I was kind of scared.
Were you scared? You might be a YouTube celebrity here in a little bit. But Mother Nature's trying to kill me. Hey Alex, I got a sweet tea if you want a sweet tea.
Oh, I'm not a sugar person. But
Only water.
I like sugar-free stuff. Like diet stuff.
Yeah. There's a sweet tea too. I don't know. You said Pepsi, but I found a sweet tea in there.
That's cool.
Whichever one you want. You want them both?
I'll take the Pepsi.
All right.
Thank you. That yeah. But you think you got everything, huh?
I'll accept that one conduit bender, which those are normally really big, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It might be in the bag when I sort through, but I was expecting a handle and a big box because the other conduit came like that.
Yeah.
Hey, Steven, do you know, I don't know if you heard me, but you know you have to legally get people's consent, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jerome said he wants to be YouTube. You want to be YouTube famous, right?
About making that turn?
Scratching your truck up. No, I am impressed you brought that truck down here. You are a man among men.
Well, I tell you what, man. I try to do the best I can to get it done. That's not too far with that. I knew that was some rough terrain, so I really didn't want to come that far with that forklift, man.
So I have had truck drivers bail on me, but Jerome said, yeah, I have. I have had truck drivers bail on me, but I've also had truck drivers I had to pull out with a bulldozer in there, but it was in the spring when it was raining. And once this ground gets saturated, you know, it can't support a lot of weight. So it was 8,000 pounds is what it was that we were bringing.
Yeah, them cows are heavy. My daddy had cows. We had cows a long time. So.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that here? Because I don't see any flowers.
Well, the mesquite is...
yeah, they're good for barbecue, too.
Yeah, it might be that. But also, I'm not sure that some of these things, you know, we call them weeds, but most spices... You know, that is it, probably. No, I don't know what I got out here completely. See if that's what you're smelling.
Oh, that probably is. Yeah, I think
sure?
so.
You barbecue?
I do.
You use mesquite wood?
Oh yeah, you know, this mesquite's hard as steel, but I'm gonna try to saw it up. I've got right underneath that. I got a little sawmill. I'm gonna try to saw flooring out of this mesquite, and I think I could get little 2-foot planks out of it.
That'll be good.
Nobody's done that yet, and now
it's not gonna rot.
It will never rot, and that's what I'm after. 1,000-year house. So man.
Yeah, you got grandkids?
I got one. Yeah.
He gonna have this for.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought too.